We are given 0.46 grams of antimony 3 oxide, and that is this one right here. We are trying to determine the mass of antimony. So that's going to be this one right here. So what is the mass, or how many grams of antimony? And we're given 0.46 grams of antimony 3 oxide. So we're going to go from this one to this one. First, put your given 0.46 grams antimony oxide here times, draw a line. Then we're going to take the grams of antimony oxide and bring them down to the bottom. We want to change from grams to moles of antimony oxide. In order to change to moles, we're going to do 1 mole is equal to this mass added up on the periodic table. So it's going to be Sb2O3. Sb is 121.790 times 2, plus oxygen is 16, and that's going to be times 3, and that equals 291.58. So 291.58. Now we can cancel grams. We're at moles times, draw a line. Take your moles of antimony oxide, 3 oxide, and now we can switch from moles of this to moles of this, moles of antimony. We're going to use the coefficients. It's 1 mole of antimony 3 oxide equals 2 moles of antimony. Moles of antimony oxide have canceled. I'm now at moles of antimony. We want grams, so we're going to take it one more step. It's going to be bring down mole of antimony and change to grams of antimony. It's going to be 1 mole is equal to the grams from the periodic table, which is 121.79. Now we can calculate our final answer now that these moles have canceled and I'm at grams of antimony. You'll type in your given value, 0.46, times 1, which we can skip, divided by 291.58, times 2, divided by 1, which we can skip, times 121.79, divided by 1, equals, and then we had 2 sig figs to start, so we're going to have 2 sig figs to finish. 0.38 grams of antimony is the final answer.